up in our fridge, man.
6 fridge one time.
Done.
4 p.m. last night, the Jamaica Fire Brigade received this call of fire. On our arrival at the given location, we saw the Ray Market fully engulfed in flames and burning severely. The brigade quickly got into operation, and after approximately 1 hour of rigorous firefighting, the fire was brought under control. However, firefighting operations continued until about 7:30 this morning, until the fire was completely extinguished. 35 firefighters and 4 fire units from York Park, Port Royal, Rollington Town and Portmore Fire Station battled the blaze. At this time, our fire investigators are on location trying to determine how the fire started.
Where we're going to burn again. The feelings come over me. Well, the problem where we're going again. The guys frighten me. Let me see if I frighten you know. I've never expected these things.
Me in the market and see the fire blaze in the air. So me say I run come run now to see what I want. Same time I light fire, catch a fire. I saw fire high in the air, light fire, catch a fire. It end up burning one post. Post drop a gun, a little post, drop a gun. So the fire get wicked, campaign a burn out. Everything burn out. Every pole catch a fire. Everything. Fireman them a work, them go on good. Yeah man, terrible. Could have turn up the road, car could have passed. I man them reverse, them say eat we boom up all the car. Yeah, wicked last night.
I said over here nearly 40 years now, and this been happening all the time. And we don't get no help, so we need help now. All of the friends of them, we over here need help. We pay market fee every day is 300 and we pay about on Wednesday alone we pay market fee. So all of the vendors over here, we need one heap of help because all of the clothes them burn up. Everything burn.
School, you know, Corona mash me up.
Yeah.
Now them come burn out. What am I pin them for eat? Enough is enough. They're human beings.
So we need